If you wish to bring numbers from a previous provider to 8x8, you're going to need to submit a number transfer request through the 8x8 account manager. When you submit this request, 8x8 verifies your information with your previous provider and they release the numbers to us. For that reason, it is important that you have a copy of a recent bill and a customer service record from your previous provider. If you're transferring mobile or cell numbers, you will also need the last 4 digits of your social or your mobile account number. You will need to set up any extensions and virtual numbers before submitting your number transfer request. These extensions will serve as placeholders for the numbers you are trying to transfer to 8x8. Now that we're ready to begin, head to the Phone System section of the Account Manager and click on Number Transfer on the left. Once you've selected Number Transfer, you will want to click on Begin Number Transfer in the center. Answer the questionnaire, then click on Continue at the bottom to move on. If you receive any messages that do not continue, please work with an 8x8 representative to ensure the number transfer goes through without issue. Enter the number of service addresses listed on your bill and your billing telephone number. An error in either of these will cause a delay in porting, so double-check to make sure they are right and click Next. On the service address location, you will need to enter your service address and provider information exactly as it appears on your bill or customer service record. Then click Next. Enter your numbers without dashes, spaces, or parentheses. If you need to enter multiple numbers, you can separate them by a comma or line break. Now you will need to assign your current numbers to the appropriate temporary numbers within the 8x8 system. You will also need to select the correct number type for each line. Once you submit the request, you cannot choose where the numbers will be assigned to, so make sure that you select the correct locations for each of your numbers. Here you will confirm that all of the information entered is correct. Any inaccuracies in the service address or provider information may cause delay, so double-check your bill and customer service record. If the information entered is accurate, click Next to continue to the Letter of Authorization. This letter of authorization serves as the legal document we will submit to your current provider for transferring your numbers. Please read through it. If the numbers you are transferring are standard fax wireless numbers, you will be able to sign this document electronically for submission. If they are toll-free numbers, a physical signature is required. You will need to print the document, sign it, and return it by fax or email. Those instructions are provided. 8x8 will notify you via email once we have a transfer date from your provider, or if we need you to correct any information. Please monitor your email and make sure you check your spam filter for our notifications, as most number transfer requests are completed within 5 to 10 business days, if all the information matches what your provider has on file. 8x8 will bring over the numbers on the dates your current provider agrees to release them. You will be notified of that date by email. 8x8 will automatically replace all your temporary numbers in your system with no further action required from you. Once the transfer is completed, you will receive a confirmation email.